Hey guys, good morning. So we're back on it today. Um, I have a lot on my chart today. I just was like getting super creative yesterday. So we had this run up yesterday, right? Didn't quite make it to buy side liquidity. But we started to turn around. I was targeting the sell side, which is actually about to get hit right now. So that's good. It could come all the way to this yellow line, which is equilibrium from this move up from yesterday. So I want to see it get to there. I was not a part of this sell. I was actually asleep when it started. I kind of got in, I started to watch charts and market um, here. Still didn't get in because it's just not my time yet. Um, so now here I am on the charts. You got some news coming out um, at 8:30. So we'll stay tuned for that. I don't know what's going on with my signal here. Let's see. Okay, there we go. So yep, we got some heavy news coming out at 8:30. Let's see what that does. We have some higher targets that I do want to see filled. We already took like a lot of them already, but now like this Scion line is like relatively equal highs on the 15th. So I would like to see that taken, but we got to see once it's done. It just took the sell side liquidity, see if it wants to give some movement back up. And in order for us to go up, we need the DXY to go down. So the DXY gave this really nice reaction off of this here, change of state of delivery. So we're in this SIBI right now. So maybe it'll send it down. If it does, then I expect SPX to go up. But if it continues to go up and take out these highs, then obviously SPX is going to go down. So let's see what it does at this point here. I know I have a lot of colorful things on my chart right now. I got super creative yesterday. So let's see. We've been having this really nice rundown. Like I said, this is what I see as a sell side delivery. We can even make it sell side liquidity. Technically, there at that wick. I normally target for bodies. My mentor says bodies tell the story, wicks do the damage. So let's see if it'll make it to the wick, which it looks like it's going to. Then we have the beginning of this change of state of delivery here. So we want to see it reach into that as well. Show some reaction to try to go up. Fair values right here, which is the mean threshold of this. So yeah, we have news coming out in 15 minutes. So let's see. I hope all this lipstick on my charts isn't too distracting. I'm working on my color coordination. So where these are coming from, these thick purple lines, is from a previous daily fair value gap, little imbalance that has been traded up, came down with a wick only. So I do want to believe that it is balanced since we came back down only with a wick on the higher time frame. But of course, if we drop down, there's bodies, right? That fills it. But higher time frame trumps, and on the highest time frame, we have wicks. But nonetheless, I kept it there. I wanted to see it respected. Which it had. When it came up there, it took buy side liquidity, made relatively equal highs, came down, back into it, filling it completely, which, like I've been saying, I hope it means it's completely balanced, so we shouldn't come back down there unless we're bearish. So then it came back up. In this purple box behind here, this one, is the SIBI on the 4 hour, which it came up, came back down, traded back up through. So I really want to see this like completely balanced. So I'm gonna kind of fade that. I'm gonna also fade these lines just to indicate like what I hope to see respected. But then I can't even see it. Okay, there we go. I hope you guys can still see it even though it's faded. I'm just really at a bad angle so you guys can see my face. So let's see what other lines. This line, this box completely filled. Like I got it from this 1 hour BISI, came down, completely filled it with bodies, came back up, respected it, 50% of it, filled it one more time. So we shall see. So we officially have taken the sell side liquidity. I like that. And I really like when it leaves these like big beefy candles, because that's going to be where I target on the come around. So you guys can see, once we traded through this fair value gap or breaker, it came back, it left, it came back up, tested, it came back down, continued. So that's good. Very good bears going on right now. I wonder what that means for the DXY. On the 1 hour, we are making slightly relatively higher highs. NAS took out its low, that's good. Dow almost. SPX did it. Yeah, let's see. My mentor just said something. Let's see what he got going on. Okay. So what I do is I heart the ones that I've already seen. I've seen that one. He wants us to study this, so let's look at it. So here goes that on my chart. Remember I told you the move had already like taken off when I was asleep? That's this, my lime green. That's his my new day opening gap. So that's equivalent to his new day opening gap. Fell down, came back up. What time frame is this? 2 minute. Respected. He confuses us all the time with order block. So I don't want to say it's an order block, and that's not what he means, but this is what I see it to mean. So order block here, came back up, respected it one more time, fell down, left a big old fair value gap behind. Institutional order flow entry drill, came down, left another fair value gap, entered in, sell side liquidity taken. Yeah, I was not a part of any of that because I was asleep. Woke up probably at 7 o'clock, did my morning routine, and just got on the charts like at 8 o'clock. So, yeah. I used to feel FOMO, missing out, but it repeats so much that, especially throughout the day, you can like totally find so many different setups. So, it's nothing to be too sad about. I'm sure it's easy to dismiss it as random price action, nothing algorithmic at all. Moving along, nothing to see here. He's a little facetious, but that's just him. If you don't know him, he's cool. Okay, so took that sell side majorly. Coming up to here, trying to see what it does with this little volume imbalance right here as well. On the 15 minutes, so it holds some clout. Ooh, it smacked that pretty nicely. Let's see what it does from here. We got news coming out in 9 minutes, so I am not standing in front of it especially after targets got hit. I need to see like What's it want to do now? Does it want to flip to go back up and eat in all this? Or go down and take out this sell side, which I don't want to see because I want to see this daily fair value gap respected. I keep saying that. But it's not about what I want. If it's bearish, just go in here. That's a fact. But before it gets all the way there, next sell side. Technically would be here. Let's put it this one. Oops. But like I said, I want to see it show some respect. Put some respect on it. I want to see something here at this yellow line. Something. We got news coming out. If it is bearish, it's going to take this. But I like the beefy candles because overall, we can trade back up into that later. That and efficiency. Super nice. Ooh. Showing some. I don't know. Like, I'm trying to see on my Twitch, like, if I like this angle. Like, for me, because I definitely don't like how it looks on my charts. Like, it makes my line super faded. But we shall see. Because if I do it how I like it, it'll be only cutting off like the top of my head. Let me show you. So I want to drop down and I want to pull this back like that. But then, like, what does it look like for you guys? I mean, it doesn't look that bad. So I like that it's not just bleeding through this volume imbalance, but we have news coming out soon. Red folders. So it can do anything. 5 minutes. So I have like 2 screens in front of me. One of them I keep like on the higher time frame, 15 minutes type. The other, the ones that you guys will be seeing, I'll keep on like the 1 minute so we can actually like read the tape. Oop, what's going on? You guys remember what this orange is? This orange is the volume imbalance from the 15 minute. This red is old sell side liquidity that we just traded through. This yellow is the equilibrium of yesterday's price range. And this background purple, faded purple, is the way like fair value SIBI from Thursday of last week that we're back inside. So off the 4 hour. Ooh, I like that. Pull back up then. Show me some. In order to like really have confidence that we're bullish, we need a shift in market structure bullish. So we got to take out like a high. And if we are going to like be bullish, we got to trade into these inefficiencies. But these inefficiencies can send it back down as well. So I like it though. I like it. I like what I'm seeing thus far. It can change at any second. News coming out. Like that. So let's see. Ooh. I like it so far. I'm looking at my other screen. It's not giving me too much confidence on the higher time frame on respecting this level that much, but news coming out in 1 minute. I wonder, so what news is this? This is core PPI, unemployment changes. Let's see if it does like a lot. I know the major ones, of course, are CPI, non-farm payroll, FOMC. I don't know if Powell talks, right? So let's see if this one. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. That was a nice movement. Was that? There we go. 8:30. Off the screen. Off the screen. Talk about it. Took another sell side. Pulled back up. Okay. 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 Now what? Can we go up now or no? We just took 2 sell side liquidities. We're in discount under equilibrium. Exciting. So add that to the books, guys. PPI, unemployment changes. Don't stand in front of it. If you're gonna trade, don't trade in front of it. That could have been great for somebody's sales though, to TP. Like, I doubt anyone caught this sell to take it down. If they did, wow. Yeah, so we just took 2 sell sides. Now what is it gonna do? Took that one too, like I had said earlier. That was amazing. Nice little energetic push. What's the DXY doing? Nice. Took all that. Okay, we're getting back close to this daily fair value gap. I just love to see this because as soon as we get a market structure shift, that's gonna be yummy to trade back up into in the future. Ooh, crazy. Ooh, look at that. Dropped down, pulled back up, came back. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Let's see. Daily vitamin, kefir. Okay. There we go. I want to see it take some buy side now. Buy side. Give me some buy side. I want to eat all this. Yummy, 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 yummy. I want to eat all that. Go up in there. All the way up there. But we got to see some type of shift. We got to see a short-term high taken. Or it's the bears all the way. Nice. Good respect. That's a nice little 15 pip. 15 handles, whatever. But not for me to enter yet. If you want to catch a turtle soup off of this sell side liquidity, be my guest. Trade up in here. Be my guest. I need confirmation, which looks like a break in market structure. But like I said, it took all this sell side liquidity already. Boom, boom, boom. We're in a discount from yesterday's price leg run. Deep discount actually from here. Oops. From this low to this high, deep discount. So now's the time. If it don't, then it's just not going to. So this looks like a potential short-term high that could be broken. Because that's what you need after this one closes. Because then that's officially a short-term high. Because then it goes, you swept sell side liquidity before breaking a short-term high. Hopefully leave it for value gap to target higher prices. That's the setup. So it's officially a short-term high. Uh-oh. If it get broken, if it get broken, let me zoom in. Let's see. Ooh. Let me look at the 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour. Okay. Dang. No, didn't want to do it. If it breaks a low before breaking a high, then we're still bearish. No market structure shift. Let's see where the next sell side of liquidity would be. We don't get a market structure shift, and we got here to reach for. Yeah. Yeah. Even low-key here. Yeah. Taking all this sell side, but that's okay because when it's time and we get a shift, bullish, it's up. Not like literally. I mean, yeah, literally, but not dramatically. It's about to hit that hoe. Smashed. Smash. Another sell side liquidity. Taken. 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 Next one up. Next one up. That's crazy. But you gotta also remember now, you see these dark purple lines? I mean, thick purple lines? That's the high end of a previous, I thought, completely balanced fair value gap. So we cut through candles around here. Yeah. You can kind of see it even on this time frame. Boom. Came back up. Boom. Came down. Boom. Consequential encroachment. Boom. So the fact that it's even here again, testing its limits, got me feeling some type of way. But that could just, let you know what's really going on. Which is rare. But if we can get a market structure shift, like if it respects this, cool. Then we can eat all this motherfucking all this Sibi that we just created. Big old beefy red candle. I likes that. There we go. There we go. Will it break this short-term high or not? Will it respect this and keep going down? Ooh. How low can you go? How low can you go? That could be it. I just want to see something. If this was it. About 11 pips. That look good. Yo, should I enter is the question? I don't know. Pulling out the phone though. I'm trying to see some. But if it respects, like I said, this daily fair value gap, high end, it would only make sense. It would only make sense. But you don't want to find tops and bottoms. Like you do want to respect it, the trend if it's going down. So that's a good little 2-to-1. Something slight. It's been extremely bearish. So let's see what it got. It's respecting it. If it take out this low. Ooh, 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 ooh. There it is. It took it out. Where's the bodies? Like I said, bodies tell the story. Wicks do the damage. So if you are in this, which, oh my gosh, did I do a disclaimer? This is not financial advice. None of that. I don't know none of that. So don't copy none of this. Sheesh. Let me not get myself caught up. But yeah, so hypothetically, if you were in this, I would say first partial here. Or just jump all the way, take partials now. Cause whoa. Okay, partials taken. We holding out. Possibly down there. Yeesh. Let's go. Let's go. Let me see if there's another place to take partials in the meantime. Cause dang that gap. Dang that gap. You know it's gonna have to come fill that gap back in. You know it is. Don't even be surprised. Just be cautious. Be careful. Definitely trail your stops. Hypothetically, of course. Break even like a. Because you do not want to see this thing turn around on you. Shawty. Shawty. Okay, I found another place. Here. From the 5-minute. Should pop up on this screen now. There it goes. Oh, dang, it already took that too? Wait, damn it. So that was second partial. Make sure you don't let this get away from you. If it's going to keep going down, we need to see some respect. Put some respect. Here we go. Next one after that is high key TP. Like, if it's going to get to this red line here, then I don't see anything else standing in its way. There we go. There we go. Let me see. Any other time frames? Let me see. That's the 5-minute. I see another one. Let's see. This is from the 3-minute. That's the 3-minute. You know, partials pay the trader. So don't be afraid to take partials. But yeah, after that, after this one, it's like on down. But we need to see it respect and continue to go down, like, before we see any highs being taken. Because like I've been saying, like, if it takes a high, big facts, that's a market structure shift. And that's what you don't want to see when you selling. Boom, boom, shakalaka, boom, boom, shakalaka. You like to see that. You like to see, like, that's what I don't like to see either. I want to see lows being taken. There we go. Boom, 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 boom. Another low being taken. There we go. There we go. TP, 4th TP hit. How many TP is it? 1, 2, 3, third TP. Final TP here. How low can you go? How low can you go? Low. Low. See me, I start to get anxiety. Like, we already, like, oh, no need for anxiety. Let's go. Let's go. Hypothetically, if you want to close your trades, be my guest. But you shouldn't be in a trade right now. But that's beautiful. I like to see that. Can we make it all the way? Can we make it all the way? I think I might just take that hook. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take it. I get it. Hold on, don't worry. I get it. Hold on, don't worry. But look, as soon as I take it, another 2 pips or handle, whatever. Like, this is, if y'all gonna be tuning into me, like, this is what I see. The left side where it says negative 0.20, that's, came from Forex, so to me that's pips, right? Like if you put $1 on and you about to get $2 type. I don't look at the right hand side, where on Forex you would look at the right hand side where it says 23, but because we're in indices, like it's just easier computing in my head. Like if you got $1 on and you get $2.30. That would have been nice though, but an extra $2, they can have it. That was beautiful. Yeah, I saw it here, live, price action. That was beautiful. That was beautiful. I couldn't catch it up here, but it did show us that it was big bearish. Then when it didn't respect this and fell out, took this sell side, that sell side. Oh yeah. And then when it made this short-term high and took that low with the fair value gap, oh, that's our setup. That's our setup. And it's still going. Will it go all the way to the end of the... See, this is also what you got, like, to focus on, like FOMO, greed, and fear. Right now, we can't have FOMO. We did a pretty good, a little decent, little profit. So I took it, I closed here, so about $10. My ultimate target was this one, so it's just going on now. That's about 20. Oh, bro, it's bleeding. It's bleeding. It's bleeding. That's crazy. That's beautiful, though. That's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. I just want you to know you're my favorite girl. So, yeah. We was all up in this, taking partials. That's what you call a low resistance liquidity run. This was beautiful. I gotta screenshot that. That was amazing. Caught that hoe. Y'all shouldn't be trading though, because this is not financial advice. This is not what that is. Oh, that makes me so happy. I took partials. I think it was like here. Yep. And then I closed it all like here. Yep. Damn. And it's still bleeding without me. Don't be greedy, y'all. Be content with enough is enough. Next sell side liquidity right there. That was amazing. I enjoyed that. That was great with you guys. My mentor just tweeted something. Let's go check it out. Hold on. So we got this parent swing from the daily. Oh, I need to make sure that I don't move it. Move it. I like to move it. Yeah, we've been spending so much time in this parent swing from this low to this high. So much time in premium, you know? So this is crazy. Okay, what Michael say? Oh, wait. This whole still weird. I'm gonna have to... I am not... So let's remove this line. So as y'all can see, those where we took profits coming from the 5 minute, 3 minutes. Sometimes they can stand as like turbulence, like a roadblock, not a roadblock, a speed bump in your way. But these red lines is where the liquidity lies, like where you want to be targeted and stuff. So I just took that. I like it. I like it. I like it. That's crazy. Okay. I'm done for the day. Like at this point, I got my profits. Now, I just watch price and tape read at this point. So I'm good. You know, gotta be content with enough. I'm proud. I hate how baby it was though, but it's all good. I had a target in mind. I had a setup, so what more can you ask for? This was a move, y'all. Ugh, my mentor gonna talk about that. I'm already knowing he gonna talk about that. Y'all saw it here live. Y'all saw it here live. Okay, let's see what he said. That was nice now, wasn't it? Lucky guess. He's being facetious. Now if pre-market, we are this, I think he said now in pre-market, we are this animated. What is the 9:30 opening range present? A lot of opportunity to push back up. Okay, so, oh dang, I meant to do this one. Okay, so, back to the yeast. I'm gonna have to leave at 9:15 New York time. So we got about 15 more minutes here together. It was great. I'm glad my first debut, we did really well. This is just Twitch, so I can't say like, oh, give me a likes, give me a thumbs up or anything. But yeah, it was pretty fun, y'all. I liked it. Did pretty well. Got a little something, not a lot. Which that is something that I do want to work on, increasing my odds holding, like for a runner, like I entered here, took partials there, like that big old jump, came back up, I saw respected, blew all the way down and I closed, and I closed 2 pips before actual TP because I get anxiety, I be getting nervous, like, what if it doesn't reach all the way to it? Am I being greedy? Let me just close. But then you get this. Then it runs on. Well, that's okay. Because how much did it really go on without me? Another 6, 7 pickups. That would have been nice. Have a runner there, close. On this pullback, still have a runner in, really. But if it breaks, it just created a short-term high. So, like I said, if it breaks any short-term high, you got to watch out. Because, oh, and it's not. And it's going lower, lower. Yeah, this is really salient. So, and we got all this. Yeah. Ooh, is it gonna break it? See, and this is when I like. Nope, it's not. So you know what that means. Let me get some natural lighting in here. I love it when the sun's nice to come out. I like it when the sun's nice to come out. Let me see what that does for my lighting. Not too bad. I'm gonna have to watch this. This is my first time. So hopefully it goes well. Yeah, so TP hit like major last candle. So remember I told you we had a parent swing from yesterday from here to here? We just took that low. So that's like a major low. Look at all of this we can eat up in. So now after like my analysis is like done now, I reached my TP, I go in now and like clean all this up, I try not to delete everything because like I said, we cut through candles around here. So some stuff still is salient in the future, like maybe this volume imbalance later can hold some weight. I got my other screens open right now. Yo, I just want to I'm about to screenshot this before I delete it because that was I'm so happy. Okay, let's see. Let's see. I'm about to screenshot these. Screenshot these. That was beautiful. Alright, so disregard was about to pop up on my screen right now. It's just like so I can get it how it used to be. So as y'all saw it live, this was the move. Yep, screenshot. And then let me move it over some so we can see the actual setup. Okay, perfect. So just to recap, we saw it breaking down since like way earlier this morning. After news, we had this dramatic breakdown, and it didn't show any willingness to want to trade back up into that. Instead, it made a short term high. We saw together how it had the opportunity to break the short term high, and it chose not to. Instead, it took out the low, leaving a fair value gap behind. That is our setup. So when I saw it go into that, respected, it gave me an opportunity. I entered, and then I just saw immediate reaction, which is what you want to see. That means like you're in a low resistance liquidity run. It gapped down, took my partials. Obviously, you have to allow for some retracement back into this liquidity void. Even this fair value gap right here, that could have been a pyramid entry, you know. I'm not there yet, but I see it. And then it dropped all the way down. Like, in how long did this move take? Like 7 minutes. In 7 minutes, boom, done and done. This consolidation could be accumulations for longs. We still have to see a market structure shift bullish in order to trust that it's time to turn around. Because if it keeps a short term high, it could just keep ripping lower. Like, you don't want to fight the wave. You just got to be mindful of the anchor points. But yeah, we just took out this major low, close to equilibrium from the parent swing. So, oh my goodness, look at this. I love it when it leaves this behind. For future, we can eat that up. So yeah, as I was saying before, we can probably delete some of these. Oh, I just hate when I have to delete things because we cut through candles. Oh, we just broke a short term high. We just broke a short term high. Not as dramatic as I would like to see, though. Yeah. I want to see displacement. Like, but I mean, technically it did. So, hey, I'm done for the day. Like, I'm cool and bulling on it. Oh, no, we just broke a low. So, all I gotta do is just tape read now. Ooh, hello. It might come here now. Next draw. But how low are we really gonna go? Like, I was singing it, but I meant it. How low can it go? Yeah, this is my favorite part when like you have no skin in the game, like, and you already like took your profit, took your bread, and now you get to just watch price. You know, no anxiety, no risk, FOMO, because you know we was up here, we was up here. Los noise non bias. Oh yeah, but I was saying, are you nervous to delete my lines until I know for sure they don't matter? which they probably don't matter because technically sell side taken, sell side taken, sell side taken, sell side taken. You don't want too much stuff on your charts because it can be a tad bit distracting. I'll keep this low because that was a major low. Next one here. Y'all see that? Next one here. But first we got to get through this low. That was another person's setup. After it broke this low, came back up. Boom. Boom. Yo, so much sauce this morning. I love it when it trends like this. Like, because then it's just so much easier to be a part of. As opposed when it's like super choppy. Like yesterday was hella choppy. I think I want to take a note of that. Because does it go, like I know from like, if you have a big range day, you can expect the next day to be a bit choppy. Does it work in reverse? Like if you have a choppy day, can you expect a big range the next day? How low can you go? Oh, oh, oh. That would have been another entry. Not for a little peel. But really, it would have been better, like, to be holding from up here and, like, scaling off. Right now, we're just watching price. We want to see if it could take us out, takes out this low or breaks this high. That's what we want to see. Because this is a short-term high. This is a short-term low. Yeah. Are we breaking a short-term high? We didn't make it low. Hello. What did Nas do? Same. Ooh. I don't like that. What did DXY do? DXY said some volume 1 hour. Huh. We may just be going up now. Do we get our bullish shift? Or was that just a fake? The Dow made a lower low. We got some SMT divergence in there, but now's a good place. Now's a good time to go up. You definitely need confirmation though. Hold up. Oh, sorry guys. Um, yeah, we took out that high, took out that low, came back up. It could just be accumulating, after news and after that major animated drop like that. I'm just trying to see something real quick. Disregard this. Hmm. Uh-oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh, I mean, but look, I'm looking at the 3 minute right now. This is what I'm talking about by like consolidation accumulation. Like, this could be smart money trying to accumulate prices. Like, you got to think, like, we just did all of this, right? Like, and we just took out an important low. I don't know if y'all got y'all stop losses way up there. Watch out, because it might be time to eat them hoes. Yeah, this is looking good. If it breaks this, I like that. Is there like, hmm, still want to see some like major displacement. We're still like in this consolidation. Like, if it's going up, like, I want to see a Oh, that's displacement. See, I like that. That's displacement. It's got that low. Hmm. Uh-oh. I think I... Sorry, guys. I bet that looks confusing. Uh-oh. I think I... Sorry, guys. I bet that looks confusing. Out there. But yeah, it's about 9:15. Sorry, guys. Recap. Out there. But yeah, it's about 9:15. Sorry, guys. Recap. Out there. But yeah. Dang, what happened? Okay. Took out a major low. Wouldn't be surprised if it goes up, but it keeps displacing lower. So next sign, TP here. I'm gonna wait with you guys because we've been targeting this for a while through this choppiness. Here we go. What a beautiful way to end. A beautiful way to end. Hit that hoe. Wish it could have been a runner on that for me personally. Yeah, next liquidity, this one. After that. So it was great. I really enjoyed myself. Yeah, let's keep this going. Until next time, be safe and happy trade. Oh, there's the camera.